Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the construction on the Melrose Hill bypass. Now this is giving a very nice view of what the bypass will look like when it's finished. It's going to be 4 lanes with the concrete barrier or the Jersey barrier in the middle, which is going to be a dual carriageway. So this, you can clearly see they've 2 lanes on the left, 2 lanes on the right. So this will give you a very nice view or idea of what the road is going to look like when it's finished. So the Melrose Hill bypass, which is where we are now, and that's Melrose Hill on the right, it's going to be incorporated into Highway 2000. So Highway 2000 is to run from Kingston to Montego Bay, but it's being built out in phases or sections. The Kingston to Maypen leg section is finished, and they're working on the Maypen to Mandeville section, which is where we are now. That's where the Melrose Hill bypass comes into. So the highway is going to run from the Maypen roundabout to the Mandeville to the Williamsfield, and the highway is going to cut through the hills and come out by the Melrose Hill bypass, and then it's going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass. So that is where we are now. This section of the road is being upgraded to be a part of the highway. So that's what's going on. That's why it's now becoming 4 lanes and the dual carriageway, as you can see. And it's very nice. Big improvement from what was here before. So when this entire section is finished to Williamsfield, you can drive from Kingston to Mandeville in 45 minutes. In actually 40 minutes because of this highway. And it's supposed to be finished by June 2023, June of this year. It was to be finished in March 2023, but they announced recently that the new finish date is June 2023.